So guys, we're gonna try again. We got Storm Sprite versus Victory Valkyrie. Let's win. Let's find out. We have so this is no points in part 1. She have points. Oh, she have points in part 1. This has no points. Oh, I think she have a point in part 1. Let's go. Go. So, wait. She have no points and no points. Let's go try again. 3, 2, 1. Ready, trip. Let's trip. Oh, it's gonna win. Gonna win. Oh, 1 point survival finish. No points. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Oh, let's try again. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. 3, 2, 1, go shoot. Ooh. Ooh. This can make it hard. Counterclockwise. One point survivor finish. Okay. Last point, get the winner. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Oh. Winner. The winner is Victory Valkyrie. Sorry, Sprite, they have no points. The winner. Bye guys.